Signing up for Housing Direct Debits. Housing Online now offers the ability to register for a direct debit for your housing rent accounts. To do this, log into your Housing Online account. Then select My Rent Accounts from the main menu. In My Rent Accounts, all of your rent accounts will be displayed, including residential, garage, and insurance accounts where applicable. To create a direct debit for an account, select the Actions button on the right-hand side of the required account. Then select Register through Direct Debit from the drop-down menu. Here, some details about the direct debit agreement will be displayed. Please ensure you read this in full before continuing. Further details about direct debit agreements can be found by selecting the Direct Debit Explained button. Selecting this will open a new tab with further information. Once you are ready to create your direct debit agreement, select Continue on the bottom right. You will then be asked to provide the bank details for the new direct debit instruction. You will also be asked to select a payment date, where you can choose whether you wish to pay your direct debit weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Once you have entered your details, select Continue on the bottom right. The Direct Debit Instructions Summary Details page will be displayed, which allows you to double-check your provided details and your selected payment date. If these details are correct, select Continue on the bottom right. If you wish to make changes to these details, select the Back button on the bottom left to return to the previous screen. The direct debit payment plan will now be displayed, which will detail the upcoming payment due dates and the amount that will be due. Please note that for demonstration purposes, the amount displayed here is zero, but you would expect to see your rental amount as a weekly, fortnightly, or monthly sum depending on which payment frequency you chose. Select Submit on the bottom right to continue. Your direct debit has now been registered. You can select the View Direct Debit Agreement button at the bottom to get a copy of your acknowledgement. Once finished, select Exit on the bottom right to return to My Accounts.